What's that? You like that? You're gonna ask Daddy to buy that, okay?
No.
You need to tell Daddy, I want this, Daddy. Can you please buy this for me, please?
Buy it, Daddy.
Huh?
Daddy, buy.
So you don't like that?
I love it.
Oh, then ask Daddy to buy that for you.
Hey.
Daddy, can you buy this for me, please?
Hey.
Can you tell that to Daddy?
No.
Huh?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
I don't like friends.
Okay. I'm gonna... Oh, sit up. Huh? Wait. Matthew, wait. Hey, come here. Come here. We're gonna check. What else do you want? What else do you want? Do you like stuffed toys?
Huh?
Do you like stuffed toys?
Yeah.
Then ask Daddy.
I don't like toys.
Ask Daddy to buy it for you. Don't do that. You like this?
Huh?
You like this? This.
Not working.
It's not working? What color do you want?
Red.
You want red?